Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric lawn mowers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled mower. After testing electric mowers for 6 months, the Ego LM2 1002SP Power Plus 21-inch cordless self-propelled mower is our best overall pick because it is very easy to use, lightweight and compact, and offers additional power when needed, all at a relatively affordable price. Self-propelled mowers make mowing, especially over hills and rugged terrain, much easier because the mower moves for you at your pace while you simply guide it around your yard. This option is no exception, although it took more getting used to than the automatic speed adjustment provided by our best self-propelled pick. We initially found this mower's self-propulsion too powerful, but once we got the hang of it, we were able to seamlessly switch between pushing and self-propulsion and adjust the speed as needed. We found the self-propulsion helpful for going up small hills. The lowest speed was all we needed, and turned it off when navigating around obstacles. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Toro 7013897 22-inch 60V Flex Force 21466 battery self. We were impressed by how easily this battery-powered mower navigated the varied slopes on our 0.25 acre lawn. Several of our recommendations have self-propulsion, but this one does it best with a design that automatically adjusts to your natural walking pace. We never felt like we were chasing to catch up or being held back, so there was less of a learning curve than with a mower like our overall best pick, which felt like it was getting away from us at first. While it may have a fairly steep price tag, its advanced features make mowing hassle-free. We really like that 9 different cutting positions, ranging from 1 to 4 inches, are available, so you can make a clean cut even in tight spaces. Mowing dense grass, dandelion stalks, and even the tiniest weeds was a breeze for the mower. We were cautious not to fetch any larger branches from our trees, but it seemed that we were able to manage the smaller ones. Toro's patented Vortex technology also ensures finer grass clippings and a healthier lawn. At number 3, we have the Ego Power Plus T6 TR 4204 42-in riding mower. Lawn tractors are mowers first and tractors second, but they still need to perform both duties. The Ego Power Plus T6 42-inch riding lawn mower delivers a clean and even cut with 12 cutting height adjustments while effortlessly hauling heavy loads, which is why we recommend this battery-powered mower as the best lawn tractor. We use this riding mower to tackle a half-acre lawn full of challenging terrain, steep inclines, trees, and other obstacles, and it easily handled the task. We never used more than 30 to 40% of the battery life, so we think you could easily mow a larger 1.5 to 2 acre lawn if the terrain is flat and the grass isn't wet. We mowed after a heavy rain without any issues, but it does put more of a drag on the motors. The generous 42-inch cutting deck and loads of battery power can mow up to 2 acres of even ground at once, while the built-in trailer hitch is perfect for hauling small trailers and other towable equipment. At number 2, we have the HART 40-volt cordless self-propelled mower kit. We tested this on a small yard, about 0.1 acres, with some hilly terrain, a grassy drainage ditch, and plenty of obstacles to maneuver around. Over nearly 2 years of use, it consistently impressed us with how well it handled the varied terrain. However, one drawback we noted was the battery life. For those with larger properties, such as a 0.5 acre yard, you'll either need to buy a second battery or stop to charge mid-mow. We like that this mower includes self-propulsion at a relatively low price point, about $50 less than our best push pick. But we found that we had to use that feature sparingly to save on battery life. The self-propulsion works well though, and it's adjustable, not limited to a single speed. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ryobi Brushless 42-inch electric cordless riding lawn tractor. If you have a larger yard to mow, a riding lawn mower can save you time and energy with its speed and efficiency. After testing the Ryobi 80V HP brushless 42-inch battery riding lawn tractor in our home for 6 months, its exceptional cutting performance, long battery runtime, and maneuverability really impress us. We found that the mower handled a variety of debris with ease, effectively chopping up sticks, leaves, grass clippings, and even short dandelions that would normally be difficult to cut. As we were tending to our garden, we decided to test its ability to chop up weeds instead of manually removing them. To our surprise, it was able to do so effortlessly. The cutting height can be adjusted using a manual lever on the mower's right side. However, we did find that the lever was surprisingly close to our leg, which can result in unintentionally changing the cutting height, although we did not experience this issue ourselves. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.